This video I will explain when you open 100 tabs, which browser crashes first. Web browsers like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Safari and Brave are programs we use to open websites. But what happens if you open lot of tabs at the same time? For example, 100 tabs. This kind of test is often done to see which browser is the fastest, most stable and best at managing the memory. Now we will see why browsers crash with many tabs. When you open a new tab, the browser has to use your computer's RAM and CPU to keep the website running. RAM is like a short-term memory for your computer. If it fills up, programs may slow down or crash. CPU is the brain of the computer that handles all the processing. Many tabs means more work for CPU. If too many tabs are open at once, the browser may freeze, slow down, or crash completely. By opening 100 tabs in different browsers, we can see which browser uses memory more efficiently, which browser stays stable longer, which one crashes first under heavy use. Google Chrome is known for being fast but also for using lot of RAM, so it may struggle with a very high number of tabs. Mozilla Firefox often manages memory better, but with 100 tabs it can still slow down. Microsoft Edge, built on the same engine as Chrome, usually performs similarly to Chrome, but with a slightly better optimization. Safari browser is optimized for Apple devices. It works on Mac operating system, and Safari can sometimes handle tabs better on Mac computers. Brave is lightweight and based on Chrome, so its performance is close to Chrome's, but may use slightly less memory. This kind of test is useful because it shows how browsers manage system resources. Which one is better for heavy multitasking? Which browser is more stable under pressure? When you open 100 tabs, every browser will slow down. But the test helped to show some browsers are faster but use more memory. Some browsers may be slower but more stable. The one that crashes first depends on both browser and your computer's hardware, like RAM and CPU. So this experiment isn't just about the browser, but also about how powerful your computer is.